Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a jar of fireflies. So here you can see that I'm using my black pen to draw the jar of fireflies. I'm drawing its cover first. Now let's draw the jar. Now I will be drawing some fireflies. They have antennas. Now let's draw their wings. My drawing is done. Now let's start coloring. To color the cover of the jar, I'm using my brown pencil. Now I'm using my yellow-orange pencil. I'm using a little bit of cyan pencil. And the wings, I'm using my green pen. Little bit of orange. Now for the rest of their wings, I'm using my cyan pen. I'm coloring their body with my red pen. Now I will be using my orange highlighter pen to draw their fire. Now I will be using my yellow pen. Wow, it's looking amazing! The jar is glowing. Now I'm coloring the jar with my cyan pencil. Wow, it's looking beautiful. Now I'm using my cyan pen. My drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.